credit card. Well done. At the railway station, we are waiting for the new passengers.
Dear passengers, your ticket to Red Railway Wagon. Go through the gate.
This passenger wants to buy a railway station ticket to Fire Station.
Passengers, your ticket to Yellow Railway Wagon. Go through the gate.
Dear passengers, go through the gate. Place the passengers according to their tickets. Think again. Attention, the train is departing.
Ready! You are so ready! Great job! Ready! You are so clever! Ready! Great! Keep on! Keep on!
Whose stop is this?
Yahoo!
Whose stop is this?
Yahoo!
Whose stop is this?